Hi, Sandy here again with another hymn improvising tip for you. This tip has to do with your left hand. Now, a common thing in hymn playing that you see a lot of pianists do is to play an octave and a chord and an octave and a chord. But we're going to take a variation on that today. We're going to play an octave, for instance a C, and then we're going to come up and we're going to play a C chord in the root position, C, E, G. Then we're going to invert that. We're going to take the C off of the bottom, put it on the top, and we're going to play E, G, C. That's the first inversion. Then we're going to invert it again. We're going to take this E off of the bottom, put it onto the top, and we're going to play G, C, E. Let me see if I can fix that so you can see that just a little better there. Okay, let's try that. So then we're going to play the G, the C, and the E. So it's going to sound something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can use this somewhere where you have multiple beats of the same chord. Now, how do you put that into a song? The best thing you can do is just to open the hymn book. You can find a song, plug it into every part of the song that you can plug it into, and then turn the page and find another song and plug it into every part of the song you can plug it into. Kind of like saturate the song with the technique until you feel comfortable with the technique. Now, if you have a song that has 3 strong beats in a measure, for instance, here we have One Day. This is actually written in 9/4, so you're going to feel 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You're going to feel 3 strong beats. We're going to use the same concept, but we won't necessarily do all of the inversions. So you might have something like one day, E flat or A flat chord. So you see, you just kind of plug it in as many places in the song as you can. Let's see, let's turn the page here. We've got Take the Name of Jesus with You. So now we are in the key of A flat, and we're in 4/4 timing. So take the name of Jesus, octave, chord, inversion, inversion, octave, chord, inversion, inversion, octave, chord, inversion, inversion. Okay? So anywhere that you have the same chord for 4 beats of the song, you can plug this in. Let's think about the other day about the Lily of the Valley. And this works for that as well. This one's in 4/4 timing. I'm using paper clips today. This hymn book in my little piano room here is not cooperating today. So I have found a friend in Jesus. We're in the key of F, so we've got B flat, octave, chord, inversion, octave, chord, change the chord. Here's another measure with the whole same chord. Octave, chord, inversion, inversion. I might have wanted to start further apart because my hands ran into each other. So we'll start lower this time. Octave, chord, inversion, octave. Here it is again. 1, 2, 3. Octave, chord, inversion. Octave, chord, inversion. Octave, chord, inversion. Oh, that was a little different. Octave, chord, inversion. Octave, chord. Something like that. Again, this is Sandy at Playforministry. I'll be talking to you later. Bye-bye.